What's up, guys? It's Benny, aka Valley Taco, and today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of left foot braking. So, as the name implies, left foot braking involves having the left foot on the brake to help you control your speed, to help you control your climb, which will help you reduce any chance of breaking things, lessen the risk of body damage, and so on and so forth. It's a very helpful skill to have, from the newbie all the way to the seasoned veterans. I think most people will agree that it's one of the things that you should know when it comes to wheeling. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how left foot braking works. This obstacle is almost straight up and down. I'm probably going to not try to go over it by myself. I don't want to fuck anything up. Basically, I want to show you how to get on a steep obstacle in a nice and controlled manner using left foot braking. So here we go.
So what you want to do is you want to ride the brake as you give it a little bit of gas. Lightly let off the brake as you give it gas. Don't let off completely. Inch your way up with a little bit of gas, and then you're on top of the obstacle.
That's how it's done.